Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, August 26th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had a wild day today, and a good day, fortunately. A little hair raising sometimes, but we got up in and out of the day in real good shape. The Dow uh, really didn't have much influence on the stocks we're trading, but the Dow did, after opening just a little bit lower, it did gain for most of the day and finished up 83 points. We had 7 positions coming in. We closed out 6 of those for almost $13,000 in closed out trades. We got into 8 new positions plus 1 holdover, and we had 7 of those were positive, 2 were negative, and we're carrying almost $16,000 in open trade profit going into tomorrow. So added up, it's like a $28,000 day. I'll take that. That's great. I'll show you 2 of our more interesting stocks for today. Both of them very profitable. This first one is NIO, NIO. That's NIO Incorporated, and we had bought this yesterday just as soon as we could. It never looked back. It had very good gain yesterday, and then this morning it gaps up again, and we got out of NIO with $13,800 in profits. So, nearly $14,000 there. That was a really good trade. Then we get re-entered on it very quickly. Didn't lose out much here. And it did close slightly in our favor, another $500 or so. So, $14,500 on the 2 trades, and we are still long NIO Incorporated. Looks real good. This was the big surprise of the day. This is FLDM, which is Fluidigm. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm not too sure. Fluidigm, FLDM. This is a biotech company, and I haven't been able to figure out exactly everything that's going on here, but they are involved with this process of extracting plasma from people who have had coronavirus and then re-injecting that plasma into people to give them the antibodies so they won't get coronavirus, or it can decrease their morbidity if in fact they already have the coronavirus. That's essentially what Fluidigm is involved with, and they had some kind of testing that was very favorable to their process or whatever it is they're doing with that technology, and that took place overnight. So here's what you got. Yesterday it did gap up, probably some insider trading or something going on there. We bought it second hour yesterday. It closed about $2,000 against us. Then overnight came whatever announcement or something with respect to their testing, and you can't see it on the chart. This chart only down here it's closing like 8.7, something like that. This chart only goes, the high is 12 9.5, but about 3 or 4 hours in the pre-market, this thing jumps up to 20. And at that point, even though we don't see this on the chart, this position was worth between $30,000 and $40,000. I was sleeping through most of that, I think. But when I did get up, I saw it was way up. And it did open here in around the 11.5 range. We were in like 9 something. So it's going from 9 to 11 here. And so our position was definitely improved, but it wasn't anything spectacular. Then the thing looks like it's going to fill the gap down here. Then it comes back, and then it basically just goes sideways, closing there about 11.5. And we have on the close there $13,900 in profits in Fluidigm. Now, what it's going to do tomorrow is anybody's guess. As I say, it's been all the way up to 20, which would be a huge gain for us. I think that'd be over 40,000 actually. Now that I'm thinking about it, probably more like 60,000 something. It'd be a big trade if for some reason it went up there, but it could fill the gap and go the other way too. It's anybody's guess. It really didn't give us much indication here by the what it was doing today, so we'll just have to see. So that's the way it is. It's a wild day, a lot of uncertainty, but we did make good money today, so I am not complaining. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Thursday.